Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo Modern Wooden Entryway Tables Design Ideas. When designing a wooden entryway tables for a modern home, things clean lines, minimalist forms, and a blend of natural warmth with contemporary finishes. Design concepts, floating shelves with integrated drawers instead of traditional legs. Consider of a design where the tables appears to float. This can be achieved with a hidden wall mount. Incorporate one or two shallow handleless drawers for keys, mails, or other some small items. Sleek console with metal accents. Combine a smooth solid wood top. Walnuts, oak, or maples will work well with slim black metals legs or a geometric metal base. These fusions of materials creates a sophisticated, modern look, live age, minimalist for a touch of natural artistry. Use a single slab of live age wooden for the tabletop. Keep the legs very simple, frame, hairpin leg, or a straightforward rectangular base to let the natural beauty of the wood be the star. Two tiered simplicity, minimalist designs with two shelves, the top shelves for decor and essential for and a lower shelf for baskets, shoes, or larger decorative items. The key here is the simplicity of the lines and the quality of the wood. Hidden storage bench combo if space allow a wider lower entryways pieces that functions as both a bench for sitting with cushions and a table. The top the can lift to reveal storage for shoes, bags, or other entryway clutters. This is highly functional for modern families. Wooden types of to consider: walnut, dark, rich, and luxurious; oak, white or red, versatile, durables, and comes in various finishes. White oak often has a more contemporary feels. Maples, light colored, smooth, and very strong. Ash, similar to oak but often lighter with a more prominent grains. Modern touches, integrated lighting, a small LED strips underneath the tabletop can create a beautiful ambient glow. Wireless charging pad aimed a wireless charging pad into the tabletop for convenience. Minimalist hardware if using drawers. OPT for push to open mechanism or stubble fingers pull rather than prominent handles. Strategic decors keep decor minimalist and created a cultural ways. A small stack of art books, a unique lamp, or a piece of abstract art income generated. um, Today we are talking about something beautiful and practical for your home: wooden entryway tables. These are not just for keys and mails anymore. They are a chance to make a first impression in your modern home, and guess what, they can also be a smart way to make a little extra money. Think about the entryway. It's the first thing and you and your guests see. A well chosen entryway tables can instantly and warmly style and organizations would bring. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Bye bye.